In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whiten teeth in GIMP. We'll walk through a quick, natural-looking method that keeps details intact and avoids that over-processed, blinding white look. You won't need any plugins, just a few built-in tools. Start by opening your photo. Go to File, then Open, and pick the image you want to edit. Once it's on screen, we'll focus in on the teeth so you can work precisely. Press the Z key to activate the zoom tool, then click directly on the teeth to move in closer. A comfortable medium zoom level works best. You want to see the tooth edges clearly without losing the full smile. If you need to reposition the image, you can temporarily hold the spacebar to pan. Next, select just the teeth. Choose the free Select tool, often called the lasso, from the toolbox. Carefully trace around the teeth, clicking point to point along the outer edge. Aim to include the enamel, but avoid selecting the gums, lips, and inside of the mouth where it's darker. This keeps the effect natural. When you reach your starting point, close the loop and press Enter to confirm the selection. Don't worry about being absolutely perfect. We'll soften the edges in the next step. To blend the selection into the surrounding areas, go to Select, then Feather. Set the feather radius to 5 pixels and click OK. Feathering gently fades the selection boundary, which prevents harsh lines and makes the whitening look seamless. Now open the color adjustment. Go to Colors, then Hue Saturation. This panel lets you target color intensity and lightness. Because yellowing is usually the main issue with teeth, switch from the Master channel to the Yellows channel in the dialog if available. Then slowly drag the saturation slider to the left to reduce the yellow tones. Watch the preview as you go. Subtle changes often look the most realistic. If the entire selection starts looking gray, ease up a bit on the desaturation. If you'd like a touch more brightness, increase the lightness slider slightly. Small increments are key here. You want the teeth to look clean and lively, not flat or glowing. Keep an eye on the natural texture and highlights so they remain visible. When you're happy with the result, click OK to apply the changes. That's it. Your teeth should now look brighter and more neutral in tone, with smooth transitions into the surrounding areas and no obvious editing marks.